Among the cluttered lineup of action heavy films like Pathan, Jawan, War 2, and Sikandar, where many Bollywood stars are striving to reclaim their former box office appeal, Amir Khan once again chooses an unconventional path. His latest film, Sitare Zameen Par, moves away from formulaic commercial tropes and dives into socially relevant subjects that arguably deserved cinematic attention much earlier. An official remake of the Spanish film Champions, it localizes the narrative effectively, aiming to strike a chord with Indian audiences. This review examines whether the film succeeds in doing so and if it marks a turning point for Amir Khan after a string of underwhelming outings. Welcome to the movie truck. I watched Sitare Zameen Par in a theater that had about 30 to 40% occupancy. The story revolves around Gulshan, an egoistic and self absorbed man played by Amir Khan, who is sentenced to community service after committing a civil offense. He is assigned to coach a team of children with special needs, a task that initially conflicts with his inflated sense of self but gradually reshapes his understanding of people and purpose. Performance wise, the film finds solid footing. Amir delivers a sincere portrayal of Gulshan. His signature wide eyed expressions, though occasionally overemphasized, seem to find the right emotional register here. The character contrasts sharply with some of his earlier iconic roles, such as in Tare Zameen Par or Three Idiots, showing a different shade of vulnerability. A monologue in the climax particularly stands out, delivering an emotional resonant high point. Genelia Deshmukh leads a soft, grounded presence that complements the emotional undercurrents of the film beautifully. Her presence has heart in some selected scenes. The true soul of the film, however, lies in the performances of the specially abled children. Each child brings authenticity, energy, and warmth to the screen. Ashish Pense as Sunil is especially memorable. His dialogues are both humorous and thought provoking. Their screen presence is magnetic, often overshadowing the stars, and is genuinely joy to watch them. In many instances, their performances tend to outshine Mr. Perfectionist as well. There is a scene that includes a role play by Janelia as well as Amir, which felt like an absurd creation. And I still wonder how Amir approved of that scene, which in no way made any sense, but what they achieve out of that holds comparatively a better stand. The message, everybody is normal in their own way, lands effectively without being preachy, but the repetitive hammering could have been avoided. The background score supports the narrative decently, though it lacks a truly memorable theme. The songs blend well within the context, but fail to make a standalone impact. Stronger, catchier music could have given the film wider reach. Gulshan's mother, played by Dolly Ahalwalia, is a standout. Her dialogue delivery and screen presence make some scenes special as well as memorable. A special mention goes to Gurpal Singh, who is looking after Team Sitare. His line, इंसान की किस्मत कभी कभी chromosomes भी decide करती है, feels real and eye-opening. His characterization inspires audiences to be human with people in the society we live in. R.S. Prasanna's direction is steady and heartfelt. Certain scenes, especially the training montages and emotional confrontations, are staged with sensitivity and flair. However, a tighter screenplay and better musical highs could have elevated the film further. Some portions feel a bit outdated in execution and could benefit from modern storytelling techniques to keep the engagement consistent throughout. Ultimately, Sitare Zameen Par is a well intentioned, thoughtfully executed film that balances emotion and message. Yet, Amir Khan must also remember that cinema is not just a medium for social messaging. It is also meant to entertain. Perhaps it's time he also embraces projects with a commercial undercurrent to reconnect more widely with audiences. The movie truck would rate Sitare Zameen Par 3.5 out of 5. If you have enjoyed this review, give it a like and subscribe for more. Thank you.